Question 9, Anne's paying into a savings scheme. In the first year, she's putting in £500. In the second year, she's putting in a little bit extra, so 500 plus 50. And in the third year, she's putting in 500 plus another 50, two 50s. And I like to think this through to start with to make sure I've got the right idea of them, because that means in the 40th year, I can see it's going to be 500 plus 39 50s, because this number here is one less than the years there. And you do have to think through those. We've seen some of them earlier where we had a starting value and put more in, but this is 39 here. So the total there is going to be 2,450, tapping that into the calculator. For part B, the total amount she's going to pay in over the 40 years. So we know that n is 40, so I've got 40 over 2. We know the first one was 500, and we've just figured out what the last one is. So tapping that into the calculator gives me £59,000. Worth starting that saving. Better than James's saving in question 3. Part C, Brian's paying money in. But for Brian, we don't actually know what it goes up by each time. So let's just think through it like we did before. He starts with 590. The second one is going to be 590 plus D. And the third one, did I say 590? I meant 890, sorry, plus 2D. So his total, S40, is going to be n over 2, the first plus the last in the same way. N we know is 40, so I've got 40 over 2. The first one is 890, and the last one is 890 plus 39D. Now, if I work that out, we've got 20 here, and we've got, well, let's just work that out. So we've got 20 lots of 1,780. I've said loads of things around the wrong way in this one. Sorry about that. 39D. We're told that Brian was at the same amount that Brian's got is the same amount of those. So let's just put those two things equal to each other. I can squeeze this in. So 59,000 equals 20 lots of that. If I divide both sides by 20, I get 2950 equals 1780 plus 39D. Take away the 1780 from both sides and divide by 39. Tells us that he increases his by £30 each year.